This video shows you how to automatically colorize Revit models by family assignment. As long as you use our plugin to export your Revit model, you will have access to all Revit family properties in the Visicon VXF file. Colorizing components of a Revit model by family assignment is the fastest way for you to understand what's in the model and carry out quality control. Best of all, Visicon does it automatically. We start in a Revit model. Go to the Visicon tab and select the Export option. From the Export window, select Save and Export. Visicon is extracting all model data, including the family parameters. We see our Revit model in Visicon. Selecting any component, you can see its family assignment under the Object Properties. All families used in the model are also listed in the project browser under the Family panel. Once you select the Family panel, you will notice that the model is now colorized by Revit family. You can browse the list and see exactly how many of each type of family is used in the model. Select any family and all components with that family are highlighted. You can also isolate them using the Isolate option. For further clarity, you may wish to only display and review one type of component category. You can quickly do that under the Visibility tab and turning on/off categories. We'll turn off all components and only view beams. Color coding components by family, in this case our beams, is the fastest way for you to understand the characteristics of the model and carry out quick quality control. In this example, it becomes very clear where the engineer has assigned different member types, speeding up your ability to review the design. Keep in mind that you can always access the family color mode using the shortcuts at the bottom of the application. One of the ways Visicon helps you better understand Revit models is by automatically color coding components by their family assignment. Get your free trial of Visicon at visicon.com today.